So let's get started. So let's open TikTok and just find a video you want to duet with, and then you have this share or arrow option on the bottom right. So you'll click on that, and then you have the duet option over here. So you'll click on the duet option and the video will be processed. And so now you can try different configurations. So it's like if the videos are side by side, try different layouts. If you want to add a green screen and react to the video this way, you can bring your face over here, or you react it to this way, or top and bottom. So that's how you do it. And once you do that, you click on record. And then after you're done making the video, you click on the tick button and then click on next and then post the video, and there will be duet with the account you just duetted with it. So it's that easy. It's very simple.